I'm Mohamed Shameer. I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I completed my engineering in 2024, core engineering like electronics and communication department. During my seventh semester, I think I joined GUVI for upskilling my technical background, and my expertise was Java full stack, and I successfully completed Java full stack and got placed through GUVI. So when I was going through this browsing about these courses, then I got to know about GUVI from my seniors. So they gave an good overview and a good review about GUVI. So it was an IITM incubated certificate that added more value to me. So I thought of jumping from core to software. Parallelly, my eighth semester was going to end. So at that time, on-campus placements were going. So the amount of knowledge what I learned through GUVI that helped me to secure 4 on-campus offers. The outcome what I got today is what I exactly expected before joining GUVI. So whenever I got stuck at any point, any doubt, I just log into GUVI portal and I create a ticket. So whatever the base foundation I learned is from GUVI. Each session has its own value. Mentor session was completely about gaining knowledge, learning things, developed any enterprise, any basic level project also before this in joining GUVI. So how to start, from where to start, this is how the roadmap, this is how the flow will go. Because of GUVI, whatever I'm using today, like Java, starting from Java to Spring Boot to AWS, from AWS to front-end JavaScript and React JS. So what and all the sessions you guys arranged, that was really helpful. So I made use of every session, even though if I was not able to attend, I sat that night and I went through all your recordings, what and all happened on that day. So the dedication which I gave, that's what paying me back today, I think. So it was a wonderful journey from GUVI, from college to here. Forever grateful for all the helps GUVI has done to me. And in one line, if I want to describe GUVI, is wonderful, amazing journey which I had. If you are in a dilemma to join GUVI or not, the one advantage GUVI will give you is 100% placement support, I think, which no other institution is giving right now. They will follow you for I think more than 6 months after completing your course in GUVI. So if you have a mindset to learn through any institution, I can 100% confidently say that you will never regret joining GUVI. Thank you.